The fame of the torrential slide network especially has been credited to its strong basics and the different advantages it offers. These incorporate its lightning-quick exchange velocities and adaptability. With an ongoing return for money invested of 3,337.96%, the organization is definitely worth putting resources into. The coin's worth has developed fundamentally, offering an amazing possibility for what's in store. In any case, completing truly an expected level of effort is imperative prior to putting resources into any crypto coin. You should know about verifiable value patterns and specialized investigation to know the best chance to trade your crypto coin. Thus, if you truly need to put resources into torrential slide and need a nitty-gritty investigation, we have one for you, which truly is genuinely huge. We will especially talk about the torrential slide cost expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2030. Along these lines, you can basically think up an optimal methodology for putting resources into this coin amazingly. Torrential slide outline. To begin with, we want to get an outline of the coin to comprehend its general advancement explicitly. Torrential slide by and large is one of the, in every practical sense, top-performing crypto coins that has kept up with its development. Consequently, it has turned into the top in every practical sense, pick for certainly numerous financial backers as of late. The for the most part current cost of the digital money known as torrential slide really is $13.45. It is positioned 18th in the crypto biological system. The organization has a core supply of 310,564,672 and a market cap of $4,177,736,564 in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of the torrential slide has expanded by 1.75% as of now. This really is because of the expansion in its exchanging volume. The most recent 7 days have seen the ascent of the torrential slide organization. It's as of now in a solid vertical pattern and could be an extraordinary chance to get in on the activity in a sort of significant manner. The cost of the cryptographic money known as torrential slide has diminished by 15.449% in the kind of a month ago. This unexpected drop has made the coin turned into a decent purchase and open door for financial backers. The new market auction is one reason that the costs of all crypto coins have definitely fallen. Torrential slide has lost around 80% of its worth since February 2nd. The Russian intrusion, calls for guidelines in the crypto market, and tech auction are only a couple of purposes for torrential slide's extraordinary cost fall in spite of prevalent thinking. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. The torrential slide establishment has as of late sent off a program pointed toward speeding up the reception of its imaginative subnet usefulness. This permits a rich environment of blockchains to be fabricated. The objective of the torrential slide establishment's motivating force program is to help the advancement of new environments. It's likewise centered around supporting the reception of its subnets, a Web3 dApp scaling arrangement in a significant manner. The cost of the digital currency known as torrential slide could increment by up to 15% in the event that the organization's advancements proceed. In any case, assuming the market essentially neglects to refresh and the cost of the money deteriorates, then, at that point, it could drop to $13.76. In view of the in every way that really matters, potential situations in general, the normal cost of the cryptographic money by 2023 could be around $14.74. Financial backers ought to recall that these costs are dependent upon future developments, most certainly because of the great unpredictability on the lookout. It is indispensable to remain refreshed with the recent fads to guarantee you can contribute brilliantly and get an ideal profit from really your speculation. Torrential slide value expectation 2024 specialists and experts have an essentially uplifting perspective for digital currencies in 2024. Since the notoriety and the consciousness of advanced resources would sort of expand, the interest for different digital currencies, including torrential slide, will keep on developing. Thusly, we can hope to see an expansion in its worth. In every practical sense, solid basics of the organization could prompt more acknowledgments and new selections, which would push the cost of the digital money, all things considered, higher. By 2024, the computerized symbolics worth could explicitly arrive at a limit of $22.65 in an unobtrusive manner. In the event that the crypto resource goes through critical liquidations, the cost of the torrential slide could drop to $18.91. Notwithstanding, to essentially keep up with its worth, a balance in the exchange practices of the business could explicitly help the digital money by and large reach $20.78. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. It is verifiable in the forecast of the cost for a drawn-out period that one ought to dissect the authentic information of the digital money, or so they thought. Doing so assists one with deciding how it acts when the bear market dominates. In the event that the altcoin gets impacted by bad opinions or administrative limitations, the cost of the digital money could tumble to $22.77. In any case, in the event that it can for the most part conquer these snags, the cost of the digital currency could reach $25.31, which especially is genuinely critical. Many individuals accept that the job of blockchain innovation and digital currency will increment essentially by 2025. Consequently, there is a genuinely decent possibility that we can see a positive effect on the crypto market. An expansion sought after for the torrential slide will, in every way that really matters, push the coin's worth up. In any case, financial backers need to know that these generally are simply hypotheses and shouldn't for the most part put resources into the coin due to these projections. You want to watch out for the changing elements in the monetary circumstance that will affect the crypto coin's worth. Torrential slide long haul figure 2030. Since there for the most part are no set boundaries or key execution markers, it turns out to be somewhat difficult to anticipate the crypto coin's worth in the long haul. Not at all like stock. No monetary records, proclamations, incomes, or proportion examinations can assist you with assessing the coin's worth in the following 5 to 10 years. By the by, we have gathered information from different examination apparatuses to give you a thought regarding the conceivable worth of the torrential slide coin in 2030. The crypto coin will probably exchange around the normal cost of $790 to $800. The most noteworthy exchanging worth can be around $930, while the least cost for the torrential slide coin can be about $750 to $760, which is genuinely huge. Most financial backers will more often than not contribute for a lengthy period to partake in a decent return and to save themselves from unpredictability. Torrential slide value investigation. The torrential slide digital currency was unveiled in September 2020. While the coin was exchanging for around $3 to $7 in the initial 4 to 5 months after its send-off, its worth saw a fast flood in 2021. The coin's worth came to $47 constantly 7-day stretch of February. Be that as it may, the coin's worth declined for the following a half year prior to arriving at an unequaled high worth of $146.22 on November 21, 2021. While the crypto coin encountered some promising and less promising times, it's seeing a negative pattern since the third 7-day stretch of WAC 2022, which in a real sense is very critical. Torrential slide coin has in a real sense lost over 80% of its worth and is exchanging at $23 as of July 19, 2022 in an unpretentious way. The instability of the digital money market essentially has impacted the cost of the torrential slide. Over the most recent 14 days, the altcoin has dropped by 25.0%. Given the ongoing ideal market cap. This moment is a decent opportunity to purchase this resource in a for the most part enormous manner. Albeit the cost of Avax has fundamentally dropped by 4.7%, it is as yet a kind of wise speculation for the people who are hoping to add a couple of mint pieces to their assortment. Or so they thought. The cost of the altcoin varied between a high of $146 and a low of $48.06 during the beyond 90 days. This addresses a 208% swing. The ascent of the torrential slide has been in a real sense credited to the rising number of exchanging meetings. As per the ongoing information, the volume of exchange